Alrighty, on to the alto part of Psalm 103E. E is an elephant. O come, my soul, bless thou the Lord. Hey, I got it right this time. Okay, alto part. Here's your starting note, and I'm going to do my best to do this with you. I make no promises. Alright, first verse, alto part. Ready, go. O come, my soul, bless thou the Lord thy Maker, and all within me, bless his holy name. Bless thou the Lord, forget not all his mercies, his pardoning grace, and saving love proclaim. Bless him, ye angels, wondrous in might. Bless him, his servants, who in his will delight. If you've never tried an alto part, you will notice that there are a lot fewer notes. It just doesn't go very far. That's quite common in alto parts. There are a lot of music jokes about that. Great. Let's try another verse. Oh, and if you didn't watch the melody video, you will notice that throughout this little run through here, I'm going to breathe in different places depending on what the text is for each verse. And I'm going to do my best to follow that through just because it makes it a little bit nicer, makes it different, makes it mean stuff because, you know, words mean things, which is great. Okie dokie, verse 2, same deal. Alto part, verse 2. Good is the Lord. Ready, go. Good is the Lord, and full of kind compassion, most slow to anger, plenteous in love. Rich is his grace to all that humbly seek him, boundless and endless as the heav'ns above. I'm not going to do the refrain for the sake of time. Let's go on now to verse 3. His love is like a father's. Here's your starting note. Ready, go. His love is like a father's to his children, tender and kind to all who fear his name. For well he knows our weakness and our frailty. He knows that we are dust. He knows our frame. Bless him, ye angels, blah, blah, blah. Verse 4, we fade. Ready, and here we go. We fade and die like flowers that grow in beauty, like tender grass that soon will disappear. But evermore, the love of God is changeless. 5, and we will go all the way through the end this time with the refrain. Verse 5, okie dokie, here we go. Ready, and high in the heavens, his throne is fixed forever, his kingdom rules o'er all from pole to pole. Bless ye the Lord through all his wide dominion. Bless his most holy name. O thou my soul, keep going. Bless him, ye angels, wondrous in light. Bless him, his servants, who in his will delight. Okay, a couple of rules of thumb if you don't want to sing the parts the entire time is first and last verse tend to be in unison, and the middle verses tend to be in parts. That's kind of just standard churchy behavior, with the exception of, in this case, we have a refrain, so the refrain would quite often be sung in parts all of the time. Okay, to that end, I am now going to... What am I going to do? I am going to attempt to sing the alto part for you while playing all of the other parts. Don't know how that's going to go. We're only going to do it on verse 1 because I don't trust myself to read that far. But we're going to try. I am going to sing the alto part. I am going to play the soprano part so that we all get used to hearing what that is like in context. Okay. In theory, you had a lovely introduction. I'm sure you did because I wasn't playing. Here we go, and all within. And all within me, bless his holy name. We're gonna make it, I promise. Bless thou the Lord, forget not all his mercies, his pardoning grace, and saving love proclaim. Bless him, ye angels, wondrous in light. Bless him, his servants, who in his will delight. Yes, we did it! Okay, couple of things. I'm just gonna go on forever. I'm so sorry. To note, especially in that refrain, the chorus bit at the end, we have some dissonance, and that does happen in other places, but I just will focus here on it. We have some dissonance, crunchy notes with the sopranos, for example, in the beginning. What was the word? Sorry. Just casually playing notes. I'm just blocking my own hands at the piano. It's fine. Okay. So, soprano and alto parts together will sound like this. Crunchy. Bless me. All you have to do is hang on to that note, and you'll be good to go. You have a unison, which means the same note, on the word jewels, of angels. Bless him, ye angels. Same thing, crunchy, and then we end up in an octave, which is kind of like unison, but different. Wondrous in light. So they're the same note, but far apart. Great, let's do that just one more time to end on a not high note. Bless him, ye angels. The refrain, I will play the parts. I will sing the alto part. We're gonna make it. Here's the alto note, refrain, and here we go. Bless him, ye angels, wondrous in light. Bless him, his servants. There's the other one. Who in his will delight. I forgot about that one. Servants. Servants. Ooh, so crunchy. Okay, bless him, his servants. One more time. That's not in any way clear. It happens like 1,000 times. The very last line. Bless him, his servants, who in his will delight. Here's the alto note. Here's the soprano note. Ready and bless him, his servants, who in his will delight. Yay! All right. Happy singing, y'all. I'm gonna attempt to do the tenor and bass part. Yeah, happy singing.